Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Karya and today we are going to discuss about relationship and mental health. How important our mental health is to have a healthy relationship? क्या हम कभी किसी ऐसे इंसान के साथ पूरी ज़िंदगी बिताना सोच सकते हैं जो मेंटली स्टेबल नहीं है? नहीं सोच सकते ना। पर क्या होता है जब हम वो इंसान है जो मेंटली सेन नहीं है? हमें हर मोड़ पे ये चीज़ बताई जाती है कि हमें कैसे उस रिलेशनशिप से बाहर निकलना है जो रिलेशनशिप टॉक्सिक है, जहाँ पे हमारा पार्टनर बहुत सही तरह से हमें ट्रीट नहीं करता है, या जहाँ पे चीज़ें सही नहीं हो रही है, जहाँ पे हमें अब्यूज़ से गुज़रना पड़ रहा है। हमें हमेशा वो चीज़ बताई जाती है कि हमें उस चीज़ से कैसे बाहर निकलना है। पर क्या हमें वो चीज़ बताई जाती है कि what if we are the ones who are the culprits? What if we are the ones who are making that relationship toxic? How do we make ourselves good? No person is bad. This is always my mantra, that no person is bad. It is only the situation that makes the person bad. So when you know that you are someone who's causing trouble in the relationship, I think that's the most best realization you can ever have. Accept it for yourself. It's okay, you don't need to announce it to the world that अरे मेरी गलती है, ये relationship मेरे वजह से खराब हुआ है. No, you do not need to do that. Just build that courage to at least tell yourself that yes, you are the culprit, baby. It's okay, you are the culprit. You still have time to make it right. How do you make it right? Just move out of that phase for some time. Ask your partner to give you a little time to make yourself stable enough to bring back the relationship, bring back the broken pieces into one. It's okay if you are the culprit. हम ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, हमारे से भी गलती होती है और गलती करना ठीक है. अगर जब तक तुम रियलाइज़ कर रहे हो कि तुम गलत हो, तब तक एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन. Come out of that phase for some time. Take out time for yourself, for your own things. क्या हम कभी सोचते हैं कि आज मुझे बस म्यूज़िक सुनने का मन कर रहा है? आई लीव एवरीथिंग, जस्ट 5 minutes for ourselves. I listen to the music, I'll relax myself and go to my partner and say, okay, I am sorry, I know it was my mistake, I did not want to do it intentionally, but it just came out for the in heat of the moment. That's okay. Yes, I think that will be the most appreciated thing. Your partner would, he or she would just accept you. He or she would just forgive you if they really love you. If you be so honest with them that that you know that it's your fault, and you're trying to improvise yourself, you're trying to make time for yourself and for the relationship. So just do one thing when such things happen to you. Go alone, go and take your own time for some time. Do whatever you like, be it just listen to the music, meditate for a while, just go and watch a movie, just paint, draw, sing, shout, dance, whatever you want to do, just do it. Relax yourself, keep your mind calm, or for that matter, what I do is I just go to sleep, and then when I wake up I realize that yeah, I did something which is not correct, and now I need to just just rectify that. So probably you can do do those things and then just go back fresh, saying that let's just forget whatever happened earlier and come back to our normal life.
Every day brings a new hope. Let's not lose it.
So with this, let's conclude one thing which we all should repeat at least 3 times a day. Our mental health is in our hands. Our mental health is in our hands. Our mental health is in our hands. Yes, we are the ones who should be mentally stable no matter what. जब भी कुछ लगे ना कि अब चीज़ें सही नहीं हो रही है, बस अपने आप से कहो, एक ही चीज़ कहो, सिचुएशन ख़राब होती है, मैं ख़राब नहीं हूँ, ये सिचुएशन है ऐसी, बस हो गया, इट्स ओके. कल नया दिन, नई शुरुआत, and everything will be perfect. Let's make it positive, guys. Let's make it positive. Thank you.